Hello everyone. I'm so happy and excited to share this very good news. Last month Unacademy given 7-day trial period of Unacademy Plus classes. Many appreciations we got from the students. Many appreciations. With that enthusiasm, Unacademy started this month also 7 days trial period. Once again, it started 7 months trial period. If you subscribe today, 7 days without paying 1 rupee also, you can watch all the plus classes. I made algorithm classes A to Z, which will be useful to you all your campus placements. Data structures also, which will be used A to Z I covered. It will be really useful to you for a campus placement, gate examination, and compiler design also, theory of computation also. With the same lectures, Abhinav got first rank. With the same lectures, many people got very good placements in big MNCs. I wish you will use this trail period. You will get a lot of benefit. Please share it to your friends also, your classmates also. Please share as many people as possible so that they will also get advantage in their life. Use the referral code REDDYSIR, REDDYSIR. Use the referral code Reddy sir. Yeah, you can use any code, not need not be my code. You can use any code. But please promote this one as much as possible so that many people will get lot of advantage. It will be really useful for placements also, every competitive examination. Through experience, I'm saying one dot also I didn't left out. Right? Please use this. Right? All the best. Please subscribe today only, because anyhow it is free. Valuable content, great quality content. All the best.